What's up, YouTube? I'm Keish and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Now today is bright and early. I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm actually on my way to court. I would tell y'all, but I feel like it's a little bit more serious than what it is. So I'm gonna just let y'all know, like, we're actually on our way to court. Hopefully this goes by quick. The last time I went, I was there probably up to about 30 minutes to an hour, and it was over with. It was done. Nothing really happened, so they rescheduled. And here I am today. First time I went to court, it was May. Here I am. It's now June 5th, and we're finna go see what they have to say this time. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully it goes quick. I get in and out. I don't have to stay too long, because I really want to get back to my bed. I really want to get back, or at least get back to my house. Like, I really want to get back to my shit. So before we get into this video, before I get to showing y'all what court look like and downtown and shit look like, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you know every time that I'm posting. Not one time, two time, spin a block every time. Now let's go ahead and head downtown and see what the fuck they're talking about. Like, it's 9 o'clock, and I'm actually supposed to be there at 9 o'clock. So I really need everybody to get out my way. Alright, guys. I finally made it downtown. So let's see how this shit goes. I swear to God, the people downtown walk so fucking fast. Like, what? But I finally made it downtown. This is the courthouse right here. Nothing too special about this motherfucker. Nice little beautiful day. And it ain't too hot out here yet. Hopefully this shit don't take long. Hopefully I can get in and out. Should have called my sister so I could have parked in the garage. But hopefully this just go by quick. Last time I think I was here for like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. And I swear I ain't do nothing but just sit the whole time. Just sit, and wait. So maybe today be like that. Maybe today don't be like that. Either way, I'm here, and we finna see how this shit goes. So, I'm done with that. I got another court date. But I really went just as I expected. Quick, fast. I got there 30 minutes late, but I was probably sitting there another 30 minutes. So, that's pretty cool. And now, every time I'm done with court, I be hungry as a motherfucker. So I think I'm finna go get a little burrito or something. I really don't know. But I really feel like the way I'm feeling right now, the burrito might be cool for me. Nothing too crazy. And I know that hopefully tastes right. Hopefully the last time I gotta come to court, I don't know, I don't even gotta talk to nobody and then I appreciate that part. I gotta show up. Can't be mad at that. But at the same time, I'm tired of goddamn showing up. So hopefully the next time it'll be cool. Like, I don't gotta keep coming back to this motherfucker. And I can move on with whatever next. But as of right now, I'm finna get ready to take my ass to Miami. I'm glad they ain't scheduling another one before my trip. Because that was gonna blow the fuck out of me. Like, if y'all been to Miami, let me know some spots that I need to go test out as far as eating, as far as having a good time, as far as, I don't know, maybe being on the club scene a little bit. Like they say, South Beach, you know, you can walk the strip type shit. But I actually be wanting to do a little excursions and shit like that. So if y'all been to Miami, y'all let me know what's one thing that you enjoy doing down in that motherfucker. Drop that shit in the comments. Cause baby, I'm about to get the fuck out of Memphis. That shit finna be so live. Gonna have a good time. Man, one thing about Memphis, there's always some shit going on. Like, niggas love fucking crashing. Like, crashing out. All this shit, like, bro. God damn. Every day it be something. Because people be in such a goddamn rush and don't be paying attention to shit. Now look at it. Hold the fuck up. It's the summertime. Why the fuck you want to be tearing your shit up in the summer? Like, honestly, the summertime is like that's the worst time to try to, or to not try to, but that's the worst time to wreck your shit. Anytime it's actually the worst time to wreck your shit, but like, come on now, it's hot. Catching them lifts and them Ubers, man, that shit crazy. That shit costs hella money. I mean, I did that shit for damn near a year, but still. But we finna go, we finna hit this taco shop. Now, y'all, this the next thing. These folks see the line ain't going nowhere. Now, if nobody wanted to let their ugly ass over, they'd be mad as fuck. Cause I swear I hate letting people over in front of me. Like, y'all seen the line. Why the fuck did y'all goddamn? Like, why did y'all come down that lane? I hate when people do that. See the lane blocked off. See everybody merged in one lane and still gonna try to come in this lane. Now, that's crazy, man. I'm telling you, that's crazy work. Cause the lane right here is really blocked off. Why the fuck is that big ass truck right there? But yeah, I'm finna go grab me some food right now. From one of my favorite taco spots called Elena's. Like, I'm finna get a burrito. Them hoes be smacking. These are all the sauces they got right here. I normally do 1 mile. I gotta get that green hot back there. And then I always do I think it's a Logan. I always do the Logan. Cause I need that hot, spicy shit. But my thing is, these motherfuckers don't got no goddamn ice. How the fuck I'm supposed to get a drink? They don't even got no fruit punch. I ain't gonna lie, I think that just blew me. Like, what? How the fuck somebody supposed to get some to drink if ain't no goddamn drinks? No, I ain't finna get this. Look at the inside of my cup. This green shit all in there at the bottom. I don't want this shit. Hell no. I'm just making a fucking mess. Not even gonna lie. You'll get ongoing support along with the clustering. See if Adobe is right for you at forwards.com/rate. That's making the biggest mess. Okay. Can I get a refund for my drink?
Oh, you want that drink?
No, I just don't want to drink it. Ain't no ice, and it ain't. Y'all don't have what I want. So can I just get it?
6 years. She's an artist and absolutely a discipline. She's doing a deep dive into her battle wood techniques. And see the thing, nothing is very much a typing stage my face.
I can't do that.
So we check some battle speed information to make sure
We got the green.
he's the real technical person. And he's a curious
We got the high.
so he loves battles and culture, full of insights and native knowledge about the language he's learning. Like, what's their first Christmas dinner and journey? Wherever you are, however you learn, Babbel is the best place to break any language barrier. Save up to 50%
Love.
Sign up at Babbel.com. That's BABBEL.com. Babbel.com.
Not gonna lie, don't even know why the fuck I did this shit. See you gonna back there. Okay, thank you. Be right back. I'm about to take that same $3 and go to the corner store because why the fuck would they try to sell me something at them? It's a B. Sell me something they don't even care. Nah. Like what the fuck? So we finna I really did want a little Sprite or something. They got Tahitian trees though. That's that shit. Damn, they should say damn, they don't sell Sprite from the bitch. Alright, so I actually decided to come get in my goddamn car and eat because they was playing that music and I really didn't want to hear that shit. But on the contrary, on some hungry nigga shit. Look how big my burrito is, baby. And it's steak. It got fries. It got cheese in that motherfucker. Also got a Sprite to go with it. Yes. Hear that crisp sound? Whew. That Sprite gonna hit every time. Now, and what I told y'all, I got a little sauce, right? I always like to just peel the corner off a little bit so I can pour the sauce in there. Nice steaky. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna start with some mild sauce today. Cause that Logan shit was hot as hell when I tried it on my finger. Ooh, yes, ooh, a little bit of that. We're gonna take this green mean machine and we're gonna drop it on top like that. That Sprite got me going. Here, y'all have some first. Have some. Yes, have some. Let's dig in. God is great, God is good. Thank you for this food. Amen. Let's dig in. It's running in this shit. Let's get into this hot sauce. Let's get into this hot. Look how it look. I mixed the hot the super hot and the one that was right up under it. Oh, this shit gonna be hot. Mix with that green. If you like spicy, have at it, have a bite. Oh, if you like that spicy shit. Yes, sir. I always get it with no sour cream, no pico. I hate one sour cream. That should make my stomach hurt. Pico though, I don't like raw onion. Put my mouth on fire. I think the last carb mukbang I did, I was eating crawfish, and I bust them hoes down. Cheers. I know my nose ain't swelling. Woo! Woo! Excuse. That right there. I might need to take one more thing. I'm gonna finish this little burrito. You know, spicy stuff and a Sprite right after really take the heat intensity up a notch, but I don't give a fuck. I ain't touched that mouth since since I started messing with this Logan. Oh my god, my steak. Yeah, I need to vacuum my car. I ain't gonna lie, that's probably the next video I do. I'm vacuum my goddamn car out. Good with the book. Good with the book. Last couple bites, have some, like, cause we finna devour this right here. That Sprite really getting me burping. This one of the best taco spots right here. I done seen so many cars pull up. I haven't been out here 10 minutes. All right there, here's the spot. Special thing about the burrito, it come with fries on it. I'm telling you, it's called a California steak burrito. One of the best things I love. Probably get one every couple weeks or so. Like, I remember when Teslas first came out. Not everybody got a goddamn Tesla. But honestly, I wouldn't want to be charging on my car. What if I'm out of town, right? Or I'm driving somewhere and I'm about to run out of charge, but the charge, it ain't nowhere to charge. I will go crazy. I want to be like, I would need some that'd be like gas efficient as well. Cause that's my whole fear right there. If it ain't no charging station, what the fuck I'm supposed to do? Don't have me stranded out in the middle of no damn where, no man's land. Cause you know when you driving and you traveling, like it be roads, it be long roads before you get to a damn gas station or another city or some shit, another exit. Excuse me. This burrito and this Sprite combo, excuse me, they done had me burping the whole time. But guess what? I'm gonna finish this whole off. This is all we got left. And let's go. Y'all wanna know something? I really ain't been smoking like I used to. I really ain't been smoking like I used to. What happened to the brightness? Maybe it's the sun. So like food, I used to feel like I had to smoke just to eat. Now I just be eating. And I done gained a little weight, especially in my arms, my stomach. Even though that's what I wanted to do. But now I'm gonna have to start going to the gym with my girlfriend. I ain't trying to be big as fuck. Now, why did I put the crispy ass fry in there? I'm not trying to be big as fuck. But I am trying to have some weight. But the way I be eating, and now that I be saying how food can stick to you, I'm like, damn, food. I don't know if this is the weight you want it, but show the weight you got. Cheers to the last bites. I just smashed this bitch. No mercy. I'm done. I'm about to go take a nap. I know my little dog gonna be in there barking and shit. His little ass gonna have to shut up for about 2 hours. Cause I need that. That's nothing but the crust. And that there is what I call good eats. I'm gonna drop this stuff in that trash can because I don't need this in my car. So, finna finish off the little Sprite. That was amazing. Pretty full right about now. Really finna go hit that nap because I don't know no grown up who don't love a good nap. But it's really just because I've been up so damn early. Like, I don't see how people do that challenge where they gotta drink the Sprite without burping. That's deadly. In one setting, that's crazy. Insane work. I appreciate everybody for watching, rocking, grabbing some lunch with me. Later on, I'll probably drop another video, do a little shopping. Cause like I said, I'm getting ready for this trip to Miami. So if y'all know some good spots in Miami, y'all know some good things to do down there, y'all in the comments, drop that shit in the comments, let me know. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Damn, that lunch was good. Damn, that shit was good. Peace.